Okay.
There you go. The Little Old Lady Who Was Not Afraid of Anything by Linda Williams and illustrated by Megan Lloyd. Once upon a time, there was a little old lady who was not afraid of anything. One windy afternoon, the little old lady left her cottage and she went for a walk in the forest to collect herbs, spices, seeds, and nuts. So she walked so long and so far that it started to get dark. There was only a sliver of moon shining through the night. The little old lady started to walk home. Suddenly she stopped. Right in the middle of the path were two big shoes that went clomp, clomp. Can you do that with me? Clomp, clomp. Very good. Get out of my way, you two big shoes. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady. And on she walked down the path. Two shoes went clomp, clomp. I need some participation. Try it again. Clomp, clomp. Very good. A little further on, the little old lady stumbled into a pair of pants. And the pair of pants, help me, went wiggle, 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 wiggle. All right, get out of my way, you pair of pants. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady, and she walked on. But behind her, she could hear two shoes go clomp, clomp, and one pair of pants went wiggle, wiggle. Further on still, the little old lady bumped into a shirt, and the shirt went shake, shake. Do that for me. Shake, shake. All right. Get out of my way, you silly shirt. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady. And she walked on a little bit faster, but she could hear two shoes go clomp, clomp, and one pair of pants went wiggle, wiggle, and one shirt went shake, shake. And then she saw two gloves, and the gloves went clap, clap, and one black hat went nod, nod. Get out of my way, you two white gloves and you tall black hat. I'm not afraid of you, she said. And she walked just a little bit faster, but she could hear the two shoes go clomp, clomp, and the one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle, and the shirt goes shake, shake. And the two gloves went clap, clap, and the black hat went nod, nod. By now the little old lady was walking at quite a fast pace, and she was losing her breath, and she could still hear something following, and that something went boo, boo. Yes. This time the little old lady did not stop to talk. She did not stop at all. She ran. Oh, she ran. And she heard two shoes go clomp, clomp. And then she heard one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. And she saw one shirt go shake, shake. And two gloves go clap, clap. And one hat go nod, nod. And one scared pumpkin head went boo, boo. The little old lady did not look back. She ran as fast as she could, and she couldn't stop to catch her breath. She ran and she ran, and she went into the cottage, and it was so quiet, so very quiet. And all of a sudden, she heard a knock on the door. Should she answer it? No. Well, she was not afraid of anything. So she went to the door and opened the door. What do you think she saw?
Everything.
She saw two shoes go clomp, clomp. She saw one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. She saw one shirt go shake, shake. She saw two gloves go clap, clap. And she saw one hat go nod, nod. And one scary pumpkin head went boo, boo. I'm not afraid of you, said said the little old lady bravely. What do you want anyway? We've come to scare you. You can't scare me, said the little old lady. Then what's to become of us? The Pumpkinhead suddenly looked unhappy. I have an idea, said the little old lady. She whispered into the pumpkin's ear. The Pumpkinhead nodded. It seemed to get happy and bright. The little old lady said, "Good night," closed the door, and whistled on her way to bed. The next morning she woke up early. She went to her window and looked into the garden. There was a redbird. Tweet, 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 tweet. And what do you think she saw? Two shoes that went clomp, clomp. One pair of pants went wiggle, wiggle. One shirt went shake, shake. Two gloves go clap, clap. And one hat went nod, nod. And one scary Pumpkinhead went boo, boo. And scare all the crows away.
The whole thing was a scare.